Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge Dart, and we will show you how to remove or how to replace rear window motor guys. We will demonstrate on the rear left door, but the rear right door, the window motor will be the same way. We will cover guys everything from start to finish, how to remove it, how to replace it. Now, if you guys want to see more videos, okay, quick introduction. Every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys want to save even more on car parts, tools, new window motor, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price, fast shipping as well. So what we have here guys, we have a 2015 Dodge Dart. That's what we'll be working on. And we'll demonstrate how to remove, okay, and how to replace the rear window motor on the rear left door. But as I said guys, okay, the rear right door will be the same way. So you need to remove the door panel first. Stay with us, we'll start with that and then we'll continue with the window motor. So next, let's show you guys what we need to do. We need to remove a few covers here for the door panel guys, because we have hidden screws and bolts somewhere. So right here now, what we're doing on the left side will be exactly the same for the right side as well. But we need to remove, okay, that cover somehow. Okay. Just grab it, pull it out. Why we need to remove it? Because we have guys a hidden bolt or screw there with a 7mm socket. From what it seems like. So if you need to buy any tools, parts, anything like that, check out guys the link in the description of the video below. So or it's a little bit bigger, maybe it's an 8. Let's check it out. Okay, as you can see, we have quite a few things spilled there. We have coffee and something else, so definitely guys, okay, we need to clean it, otherwise, okay, we cannot get the socket on top of it because of all that stuff, all that material. I'm trying to focus a little bit so you can see, but there is quite a few things here that actually prevent it from getting loose. So it is a 7mm guys. We just had so much coffee or cappuccino, something spilled there really sticky that we couldn't get the socket on. We thought it was 8, but it's actually a 7mm. That way you will know for sure which one is yours. So this one is out. What about another one guys? Okay, we have another hidden one under a cover, under the interior door handle, right there. Perfect. This cover came out. Let me show you. You have 3 clips holding it in place. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now we have another one with a 10mm socket. Okay, it's coming loose, but we need to replace the battery on the impact because it's been extremely cold here in the shop and at night it died. Now, as you can see, we have another screw right here. Do not remove this one now guys, because this is holding the interior door handle to the door panel. This one stays there. The only bolt that we'll need to actually remove now is only that 10mm. And for some reason it seems like those, okay, sometimes are super tight. I don't know why, but sometimes they're super tight. So, okay, with the new battery, no problem. Came out with this. This is the bolt right there. Now, that for now, okay, let's remove that cover here. Make sure we don't have anything there, because sometimes we may have something and we'll need to leave the door panel up later. You're going to see why. This one has only 2 clips. Don't drop it like we did. Okay, let me focus quick. 1 clip here, 1 over there. And this one is out too. Now we need to get a plastic panel removal too, and we need to start, okay, getting those door clips loose guys. So if we pry it like that, you can get even a screwdriver, but you have to be extremely careful. I recommend only panel removal tools. Those clips on Dodge, okay, they're really complicated. We'll have the replacement ones in the description of the video below, because those are really guys, okay, really easy to break. By the way, you can see, okay, how tight that door panel is. So we'll need to go ahead and pry quite a bit to get them loose, and sometimes they're in two different components, middle part of the clip and the outer part, and if when you remove the door panel, sometimes they will break and you will have to replace them, so be prepared for that. So with the panel removal to the metal one, now the plastic one we won't be able to do that though. Okay, you just need to find where the clips are and push there. Okay, and when you do that, it should come loose. Okay, this one came loose too on this side. We just need to go up. You need to go all the way deep, guys. Otherwise it's not gonna work. Nope, you cannot go like that. You have to go the other way. Nope, the other way. Like this one. Yep. That's how they come off on this one. You cannot push towards the inside. Then when it gets loose at one point, see if you can grab it with your hands and shake it, pull it. Okay, after that you need to lift it up to come out of the canal, and now we need to disconnect a few cables, guys. Okay, and we need to, okay, one thing that we forgot, we had to remove the window switch, okay, before we actually remove the door panel. So let us show you how to do that now, so we can disconnect the door panel. Plastic panel removal too, go ahead and get that switch out. It has 4 clips. Let us show you quick where the clips are located. Okay, those metal things, press in, pull out, and now we have more room. Also, right here we'll have one wire, okay, that we need to disconnect. Okay, and now we'll have more room to show you everything about the cables and all that stuff. Next, guys, we need to disconnect the locking cable and the cable for opening the door. So how you do that, this one, you just grab and you have to pull it out. It has a kind of like it gets stuck here. Okay, so this one is super tight. Okay, I'm trying to grab it with my left hand. Okay, perfect. With the right one is a little bit better. You just get stuck. You can see how it's shaped. Now what about this one here? We need to get pliers, guys. Okay, pliers, and we need to, okay, let me disconnect that wire first all the way. Okay, just pull it, don't bend it because that's like a wire, and squeeze those two parts in at the same time and start pulling it out. But I don't have, okay, we need to lift the door panel a little bit. I cannot pull, okay, like that, because the door panel was holding me. Okay, and now we come out of here. Now let us show you where all the clips are located, guys, and how to remove a few that actually got stuck. Okay, you can see now we have 2 clips that actually stayed here, so we need to get a metal clip removal too, and we need to pry those out. We didn't break any clips. I don't know how we did that, but that centerpiece needs to actually stay on the door panel. Yeah, all we have to do is just find this one. Okay, just hold it with your hand. Perfect. And go ahead and slide it on the door panel. Now, let us show you where all the clips are located now, guys. Okay, facing the door panel. Okay, we found the other one too. Okay, this is it. So we have to do just slide it in the slot. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips that hold that door panel in place, as you can see, just like that. So once you guys remove your interior door panel, guys, the door panel, you can access your window motor. Let's explain now quick, guys. Let me show you. This is, guys, your window motor. The window regulator is behind that plastic thing, and we'll have a video how to replace it as well. Now you can remove the window motor without doing anything else, but when you install the new window motor, stay with us and we'll explain what else you can do, because the window regulator may fall in the door, and we'll explain how to actually support it and hold it there. So Torx 25 star looking bit, okay, like this one. If you need any tools, parts guys, or good electric screwdriver, check out the link in the description of the video below. We go ahead and remove 3 screws. That's all he has. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead, pull it guys. Okay, just shake it, don't turn it, just shake it, and now we need to disconnect it. Now the red thing, it needs to come this way, okay, like that. Then you press in there and you pull it out. And this is guys the window motor. Now this window motor attaches to the window regulator right here, but that regulator may fall in when you push it in. So if it starts getting loose guys, or in order to prevent that from happening, remove the door speaker and support that mount on the back side with your hand when you push the window motor in, so it doesn't fall in the door, and that way you will not have to remove all that to fix it. If you need to buy a new replacement window motor, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys. But putting it together is in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.